What's new at GoLinks? February. First up, QR codes. Automatically created QR codes for your GoLinks. Whether you're presenting to your team, hosting a company event, or sharing announcements in the office, make info easier to access with QR codes. Search for your latest GoLink on the GoLinks dashboard and download the QR code directly. Next up, Link Aliases. Create aliases for the same link. If a resource goes by more than one name, don't make your team guess the GoLink. Improve discoverability by creating a new GoLink and related aliases at the same time. You can also edit your existing GoLinks to add new aliases.